Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you have a stored credit balance error in changing of Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to change your Apple ID country region and facing this type error that you have a stored credit balance, you must spend your balance in before you can change your stores. So if you're trying to change your Apple ID country region and facing this type issue, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go to settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management and just make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to simply go back and here go to language and region option, select region and select your own region in which you are living. Once I've selected, just simply go back and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be an issue with your iPhone network setting. It will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to enable this toggle to set your time and date automatically. Then you have to simply go back and I recommend you have to make a try to make a force restart with your iPhones to fix minor glitches. Not true that you have to press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you have gotten the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to change some settings. So the very first, you have to open your settings app here, go to your Apple ID, and you just have to select subscriptions. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions in your this section. If you find any kind of subscriptions, so you just have to try to delete your subscription. It might be Apple One, Apple TV, Apple Music. So if you find any subscriptions here, just try to delete them. So after deleting your subscriptions, you just have to go back and you have to also make sure that you haven't any kind of balance in your Apple Pay or in your Apple Wallet if you find your balance. So you have to try to spend all of your balance in purchasing any app or purchasing anything. Or you can also try to contact with Apple Support team to remove or spend balance from your Apple ID. So you have to go ahead to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select your app and then select this iPhone option. Select this more option here, select App Store, and then you have to select get more help and then call us. And after that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Or one more thing you can try, you just have to simply go back, open your App Store, and here just tap on the profile option in the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and you just have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select your Manage Payments option. So here you'll find your payment method, which you have added to your Apple ID. So you can try to remove your payment method from here. Once I've removed your payment method, you have to simply go back, select country region option here, and then select your own country region in which you're living, or you can also try to select the same country region which you have just selected for your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one here. Once you have selected, just have the continue option and then tap on agree in the top right. And here you have to add your payment method. Or if you don't want to add your payment method, just select the none option here. Then add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and then tap on the done option in the top right. And your country or region will be successfully changed without any kind of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.